Did you know a homeless man once told the most powerful ruler in history to get out of his sunlight? Meet Diogenes. He chose to live in a barrel in the streets of Athens. No money, no home, no possessions. One day, he watched a child drink water using only his hands. Diogenes looked at his drinking cup and threw it away. "Even a child has less than me," he said. When Alexander the Great found him lying in the sun, the conqueror offered him anything he wanted. Diogenes replied, "Move, you're blocking my light." Alexander was so impressed, he said, "If I were not Alexander, I would want to be Diogenes." Here's what Diogenes understood that we don't. Happiness doesn't come from having more. It comes from needing less. Every desire you eliminate is one less chain holding you back. The Stoics learned this from him. True freedom isn't buying whatever you want. It's not wanting what you don't need. So ask yourself this question: what would happen if you threw away your cup?